Okay, so here we are looking at the silver market in the 1 hour time frame, and we've got a little bit of a hike and ashy cloud here, cloud cover up above, and looks like it broke down there pretty good here where the hike and ashy is. So we pretty much got to get through this resistance here to get back up in a uptrend. And here you can see back here it broke down very much, so it broke down there and went back down. You can see that nice uptrend. And I'm going to switch to another chart here. There's our pivot. We're looking at the yellow line here, which is at 2131 here, and we got a little bit of firming here. I got a crossover, this crossing up here, which is a trend signal here, but we don't have, this indicator isn't growing too much. The bars here aren't as strong as I would like to see them. So here I think we have a little bit of stalling here, and we're back here again looking at what happened back here, that really broke down. We went down below this rolling pivot, and boom, the pivot back down again, and it seems to want to just stay below this pivot. Now if it does go above this pivot, we're looking at the resistance of 2367 at the moment, which is a rolling pivot that could change. So our resistance is right around in here. So I found that quite a bit interesting, and right now there is a bit of firming. So you can see we have the lower lows in the hourly time frame, and the lower highs as well. Lower lows, lower highs is a bit of a downtrend, but we'll have to look and see if we can firm up there and continue this, what was a very nice silver uptrend. And go ahead and come over to my blog, and I have more charts there. The charts look better than they do on video. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm just gonna end there. That was just a little peek at what silver is doing. Here, hold on, let's go over and look at, that was the hourly time frame. I'm going to give you the 4-hour time frame, but this is, ooh, yeah, see, it really broke down up here, and that's what we're facing here, is possible trend change to the downside. We got to get over that point here to get back in to the uptrend. So here's the levels that we're dealing with, and could we possibly break down more? It is possible. There's our support right about here right now. There's support 2, support 3. Here's your resistance 1, resistance 2, and resistance 3 is up here. That's kind of a confluence right there. You can see this is the R3 value, and that's also where the major top is right now. So that's what we're dealing with in silver. And if you could see this indicator down here, that's some pretty deep moves for this indicator, and then we don't really have anything growing and building up positive bars. Generally you want the bars to be growing. As you can see back here, when it was doing quite nicely, the bars were growing, and now we don't have any growing bars. So we need this to cross up, the bottom indicator here to cross up for it to go back into uptrend. And right now it's looking a little heavy. Could it go up? Of course it could. Could it go down? It most certainly can go down. There's a lesser path of resistance going down than there is up. There's more likelihood of going down than there is up, although there's great possibility it can go up. I'm not saying that it is going to go down. I'm just saying right now that it has been really stalling out here. So it's not strong. Silver is definitely not strong how people are saying. I remember this talk show guy came out and was saying how great gold was, and as soon as that came out, it just started crashing. You remember it did that big crash, and there was a big correction, and as soon as he said that, you know, how great gold was, it went down. I mean, just like nothing. So you have to be careful of what people say out there when they tell you on the news, and they're not backing their moves on any charts, you know. Let's look at the trend here. Let's see what the trend is doing. Is the trend going up, or is it going down? Here we have some lower lows and lower highs here. We need to start building this way for it to be uptrend, not this way. So here we got the lower lows and the lower highs. So as you could see, we got a bit of a down channel. This is the 4-hour time frame, and as much turmoil as the world is in right now, people want to run to gold and silver to protect themselves. But here you can see, you know, that the trend is your friend here. You have to see what the trend is doing, not by market hype. This is all mathematical. You know, when moves happen, it's because of math, not because of jawboning on the news. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the video. Come by my blog spot, check it out, get the technical analysis of the markets, and the charts look much better on my blog than they do here on YouTube videos, which look much smaller. You can see the charts much better on the blogs. Thank you.